What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over Robinhood stock. As we can see on our screen here, it is down 10%, a pretty substantial amount. Sitting at price point around $35, $36 per share. And it's a really interesting buying opportunity, in my opinion. If you take a look at the 1 year chart, it is lower than its IPO listing price, which was $38 per share. All-time highs was around $70, $80 per share, but has been selling off, and it did get killed by earnings, mainly because they think that the crypto market is kind of dying down. So Robinhood stock is definitely a nice buying opportunity. I do think that this company is going to thrive in the long term. Lots of people use Robinhood as a platform, despite all the hate. I still use it as well, just because I like the easy to use interfaces. Just makes everything very simple, and I can just place my orders very simply and quickly. So at ARK Invest, Cathie Wood is actually buying more and more shares of Robinhood stock. As we can see here, as the price of Robinhood stock goes down, which is the yellow line, the amount of shares that Cathie Wood of ARK Invest is buying is going up. And we're seeing a very, very large amount of buying right after earnings on this nice dip. This is basically all-time lows, or retesting the all-time lows. And ARK Invest bought a pretty substantial amount of shares, as we can see here. And three of their funds, RK, ARKF, and ARKW, it's over 2.2 million shares combined that she bought, which equates to over $80 million of Robinhood stock being bought. So this means that they are pretty bullish on Robinhood stock. They're taking advantage of this huge dip in price to pick up some more shares, because I do think that it's going to rebound, and for the long term, it definitely has a good recovery potential for it, sitting at such a low price point. So my position I'm holding is a $32 cash secured put expiring next week, November 5th. So basically, if Robinhood stock stays above $32 per share, buying next week, I'm just going to collect the premium in full, and the contract is going to expire worthless, and I can open up a new trade. Or if Robinhood stock drops below $32 per share at expiration November 5th, I have to buy 100 shares at $32 each, which I'm perfectly fine with doing. Cathie Wood thinks that this drop is pretty substantial amount that it's dropped. And they are just adding more and more shares as the stock keeps going down, just because they're buying the dips. They're being greedy when others are fearful, and that's the best way to make money in the stock market. It's buying stocks when they're at very cheap levels and great discount prices, which Robinhood stock is currently experiencing. So that's about it for this video. Quick little update on Robinhood stock. Got killed by earnings. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest is buying hundreds of millions of shares, putting in over $80 million worth into Robinhood stock and adding more to their portfolio, as we can see here. That's about it for this video. If you helped, do leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.